guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Destiny. So I thought it was a good idea to, pop the pimple on my face that I had. That is now, it went away, but I just thought that it was a good idea to pop a pimple right before I recorded a video, and now I just have a big pimple on my forehead that's extremely irritated, and it's just red, and now it's just, so just ignore that. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup, but I don't really want to put a lot of makeup on right now. I'm gonna just do like a natural, but like a bad bitch, because I'm gonna wear lashes, and then I'm gonna put like fake freckles, because it kind of makes it more of a natural, but like, anyways, you'll just see. I don't know what to do with this. Just ignore it for now, please. It's kind of I can't believe I'm looking like this. I really did that. Oh my gosh, I just spilled this drink, and this is not even my drink, it's my boyfriend's drink. He left it at my house and I literally just spilled that on my desk. Oh my gosh, that pimple is getting my fuck, man. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So what I'm using for my eyebrows is the Cara Beauty. It's like this. I got it from the mall. This is like a dupe for the Anastasia one, and honestly I like it. Look at this pimple, bro. Oh my gosh. My eyebrows look good though. I didn't put any concealer on my top brows. I only put it on my bottom brows, and I cleaned up the ends of it. And I did that using the Maybelline. Get this concealer brush and put okay. I'm trying to blend it out with my fingers. Alright, so the lashes that I'm gonna use today, I have eyelash glue all over here. I'm gonna blend this out real quick. So lashes and eyebrows done. Now I just put my lashes on. I haven't curled them yet, waiting for them to dry. Oh, and for my foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and it's in the shade Vanilla, light with golden undertones. If you put foundation under your eyes instead of concealer, I think it makes your face look more even. Like, do you see that? And then you can start to see. So for my powder, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 15 Light. Alright, now it's time for fake freckles. This is my favorite part. Okay, so for the fake freckles, I got this from Yas Online. I'm gonna get a spoolie, and then I'm gonna get the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. Yes, it's really dirty. I'm gonna dip it in burnt orange. And then I'm just gonna... And then you can get your powder.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. Stay with that drama. Let's just be real.
Okay, my hair is ugly. I'm gonna fix my hair, but first I'm gonna put Aquaphor. I don't know if I should do it. I don't know if I should do it in a ponytail or a bun. Because my hair looks really messy, so should I just put it in a bun? Right there. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna use the best lip gloss in the world, and that is the Milani lip gloss in the shade 03. You probably cannot see. Oh my gosh, and I think I'm done. Anyways, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that's @DesGates, and my Snapchat is @BabySanchez221. I will see you in the next video if you subscribe.